Alrighty, so here's our new project. It's a 2002 Ford F150 XLT. It's got the V8 5.4 in it. This was my dad's truck. I was with him when he bought it at the dealership. He passed away recently, a few years ago, and my grandfather, his dad, got the truck. He'd been using it, and now it's in my hands, so really it's a third generation truck. Not in order. It's super clean on the outside. It needs paint on the hood. The top is pretty faded. But for a 2002 truck, this thing shines pretty good. It's stock, it's not lifted, leveled, or anything. It's got a bed liner. This window trim looks newer, like it might have been replaced. I don't know if that was leaking at one point or what. Got a bed here. Everything works as it should. On the outside, at least. We got some mechanical issues here. Truck needs a water pump. As of this morning, it won't start anymore, so it needs a battery probably. It's been sitting for a while at the lake. Check the inside out. For a truck in 2002, this thing is pretty clean, man. I did clean it a little bit yesterday. I haven't put any soap or anything. I just vacuumed the inside out. Seats aren't great, but they're not terrible. They're not ripped or anything. Some small stains and stuff. We could use a good shampooing. Pretty clean. All the panels are there. The headliner's in excellent shape. All the lights work. All the panels here, some of this stuff was loose. I had to screw that stuff back on. Everything works. Back seat's in better shape than the front. It's got a little amp under there. Here's the front. This is the biggest issue here. I'll probably end up getting a new seat. We've got some cigarette holes there. They ended up putting duct tape over. Check the dash out. For a 2002 truck, guys, I haven't even wiped this down yet. I mean, this is how it is. This is how it was. Probably get a new steering wheel cover. Pretty damn clean truck, boys. It's got the 6 CD changer behind the seat. Still got CDs in it. You see this doors. All the doors are in good shape. Even this. It's not perfect there, but it's hard finding any Ford or even some Chevys with all the panels matching perfectly. So you can actually pop the hood here. So I've also been told that this truck needs coils. So we'll see. Headlights are pretty faded here. Not the biggest fan of this grille, or really this body style, but it being family truck, you know, got some sentimental value to it. Your opinion kind of changes. So I'm kind of warming up to it. And you can see here we need a water pump. She's bone dry. I'll attach a video of it leaking from the bottom there. Battery's dead right now. Gotta get a new one of those. It's got a new transmission put in it, I guess. Like less than 3,000 miles ago. And then it's really just been sitting. I think it looks like one of these coils has been changed. You can see that one with my middle finger. Looks like a different color plastic. It's a different shade of black than all the other ones. So I'm assuming that one's been replaced. And they didn't do all of them, which I don't love, but that's all right. We'll get in there and do all of these, hopefully. I'm gonna try and make a bunch of YouTube series. Well, I don't know about a bunch of series, but some videos kind of documenting this truck and what I'm gonna do with it. End up getting wheels and tires eventually, and I gotta get it running mechanically sound first before I start putting money into how it looks. So you guys got any ideas and stuff I should do to this truck, or any tips or tricks for these old 1010s? I don't know too much about them. Probably getting ready to sell the Patriot. It's been a good vehicle, but needs AC right now. I got to put a new compressor in it, and then she'll be ready to go. Yep. 2002 F-150. She's got like 250,000 miles on her. The odometer on the dash doesn't even work. Got to get a new cluster. So got my hands full with projects on this truck for the meantime. So there she is. I haven't even put soap on her yet. I'll put a video of what it looked like. It was covered in mold and mildew. It was in Alabama. Now it's in Florida. I had to get it shipped across like 550 miles. So it showed up 2 days ago. So here she is. I pressure washed her off yesterday. And today, just gonna make this quick video, kind of document the start of this. We'll see where she ends up in a few years or in months or wherever. I'd like to keep it, get her in good shape, get this hood repainted, top repainted, get some new headlights, bring all this faded plastic back to life. My dad kept good care of this truck, it seems like. All right, let me know what you guys think. All right, so I'm pretty sure we got a dead battery on this truck here. We're gonna go ahead and test that. She started yesterday, now she don't want to start. So you can see the light bulbs are on, but that's only sometimes. Let's see what this. Okay, so it's at 11.5, 1.58 volts. That's dead. That thing's dead as hell. So, we're gonna need a new battery. And I guess I'll probably run up either later today or tomorrow to grab a new battery. Replace this son of a bitch. Yep, that's all. All right, so we got the truck up. She's leaking from right here. So I hope that's the water pump maybe, I don't know. But yeah, she's just dumping.